Conway'S Restaurant Lounge. An hour after bar close, here we are. And the motherfucker's still open. And the bartender is in there serving it up. Pouring drinks for these motherfucking affluent, privileged little shitbags. Music fucking blaring, thumping my kids awake at 3:30 in the fucking morning. Hi, George. Hi, George. Yeah. And there's the bartender's truck and two of the patron vehicles. And two more of the patron vehicles. And I can show you inside the bar. It's a public place. No reasonable expectations of privacy in a public place. Yeah. See those motherfuckers sitting at that bar? Looks like a bar full to me. Oh yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that shit right there. Yeah. Uh-huh.